My name is Julian Robinson, and I'm the head coach of Calabar High School track and field team. I have been coaching at Calabar and in general for about 20 years. Yeah, I can't believe so much time has passed. I got into coaching because I had a desire to give back to Calabar High School. I was working as an engineer at a telecommunication company, and I had some free time in the evenings, and I decided that I saw a need at Calabar. You see a young man come in with seemingly little ability, and over a period of time, he is transformed.
Allison from Calabar, 1-2 for the boys from Red Hills Road. Rajiv Allison from Justin McCoy.
Well, for me, discipline is important. And I believe that if a person is going to be successful, he or she must be disciplined. I try to follow best practice. So if I'm coaching a new event, I would go and research and see what has been successful and try and implement it. I am new to the position as head coach, so initially a great amount of time was spent getting the team to believe. The biggest focus for our team this year has been, interestingly, building a team where the athletes understand that the coaches care about them, right? And also them understanding that we have their best interests at heart. As a coach, we need to put the athletes' welfare first. And there are certain things that are recommended and there are certain things that are not recommended. And for the most part, I am guided by that. Something that I always want them to remember is they should always do their best, whatever the situation. Whether the situation seems hopeless, they should always give it their all. And I believe that with that attitude, they'll be successful in their endeavor and in life. But we have a good team, and I believe that we're going to do very well.